lost 3 kg in last week with my own meal. Bismillah. So I eat twice a day, like afternoon and dinner, this kind of meal. I will share all the recipe with you, and 1 cup of fruit, also plenty water and loads of green tea and oats in the morning. But I will share step by step everything with you. My target is 3 kg a week. Take 300 gram chicken breast, 3 cloves of garlic, 300 gram fresh peas, and about 100 gram courgette, and 1 long jalapeno. I'm gonna cut it in the middle and just slice like that. And also chicken is cut like that. And just about 1 tablespoon olive oil or coconut oil, that's all I use. Place my chicken and my garlic first. Saute that for 1 minute. After 1 minute, I add all my vegetables. Saute again for 1 minute. Salt according to your taste. 1/4 teaspoon cumin seed. 1/2 teaspoon chili flakes. And 1/2 teaspoon black pepper. Mix it. I'll cook under the lid for 5 minutes on high flame. And after 5 minutes, my rice recipe is ready and it's so yummy. Look at that. Let's eat it.